All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information from all over the world. Today we're in Hawaii. Things about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Drip network, get 365% back, 1% a day, every single day. All kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Today we're going to be talking about VVS Finance, what's going on with them. They could be a good ding discount buy time right now. It's in a good position. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter, what's going on with VVS. They got some nice pools that you can make double rewards on. We're going to check that out. And then also, literally gas prices are at the highest that they've ever been, and they're saying that gas prices are not going to go down anytime soon. Some of it is because of the war in Ukraine, but that's not the only factor, so we're going to check that out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. So, talking about passive income, talking about VVS Finance, talking about the gas. We actually brought ourselves out to Hawaii because of our cryptocurrency projects that we've had for the last year. We were able to take some of our money from notes and some of our money from our projects, and we brought ourselves out here to Hawaii. And we're having a great time here. So, all right, everybody, let's head over to VVS Finance. All right, over here, coin market cap, VVS Finance is ranked 236. It's actually down 15%. Ding. It could be a discount buy. I like it when it's 12 to 15 to 20% for discount buys. It is up about 2% today. Clicking it. Over here, it is 2%. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a 2504. It's up 2% today. VVS Finance is ranked 236. A little tidbit, about 2 weeks ago, it was ranked like in the 400s. So VVS Finance, it went from 400 to 236. That's a positive thing for VVS Finance. What's going on right this second? Well, as you can see in the last 24 hours, this coin is going up, which is fantastic. So we like seeing it going up. But for the week, the 7 days, look at it's going down. Right down here is where we're at, and you see the uptick and you're great. But if you actually look at it for the whole week, this is a ding, could be a good discount buy. So checking that out, the VVS Finance. Over here at their Twitter account, a couple good things. Your gateway to decentralized finance movement is VVS Finance. VVS Finance stands for very simple finance. They want to make it easy. So XLM has launched on Cronus chain, allowing XLM to be sent across the entire Cosmos interchain ecosystem. XML has been listed on VVS as initial liquidity added to Crow/XML pool. That's fantastic. Right here, we're introducing xVVS. xVVS is a token you'll receive in exchange for staking in VVS. There will be 3 main perks for the xVVS holders and value accruing benefits for the platform as a whole. Here's the 3. Revenue sharing is important. xVVS vault and governance. Kind of says xVVS is coming, VVS mechanics upgrade, driven to be willed to give the community more and more. You know, I like that they're trying to help the community. VVS utilities and power of influence decisions to incentivize active participation. We want to share more details about the xVVS. So xVVS smart contracts is currently undergoing a security audit. Fantastic information there. But we wanted to share the more context gearing up for the xVVS launch. What is xVVS? How would xVVS impact VVS Finance, and what now? Well, the token you will receive only in exchange for staking. There will be 3 main perks for the xVVS holders and the values accruing benefits. 3 benefits are revenue sharing, xVVS vaults, and governance future launch. What is xVVS? xVVS Finance yields bearing governance token. You can only get xVVS by staking. So you have to stake your tokens in order to get this. The value will start 1 VVS will equal 1 xVVS and appreciate over time, and the portion of the platform revenue goes beyond buy bucks. VVS is a dividend up among the xVVS sharing holders in the pool. So they're going to divide it up among everybody, which is fantastic. Scroll down a little bit more here. Look at this. They got it highlighted. Going into more detail of our buyback mechanism as we continuously spend on significant portions of our profits that are generally more token swapping and buying back VVS and adding them into the pool. Therefore, the price of the value of the xVVS will gradually increase over time compared to the VVS. Now, that's fantastic. Number 1 is revenue sharing. Number 2 is the xVVS vault, and number 3 is governance. Let's check out this revenue sharing. To give back to our supportive and loyal community, the VVS has decided to give away the treasury to buy back the VVS. So our miners can further benefit from our platform. Currently, when using and making a swap, VVS charges 0.3 fees for the trade, in which 0.1 goes to our treasury and 0.2 goes to the LP providers. With the launch of xVVS, we will decide to contribute 0.08 of the 0.3 platform profits to buying back VVS from the market. At the same time, the remaining 2% fees currently going to the LP providers will remain unchanged, and they will essentially be the backbone of the VVS. Purchase VVS and will be automatically distributed into the portion among all xVVS holders. So that's some fantastic stuff with VVS. They're actually coming up with xVVS coin, and you have to be staking it in order to get it, and there's 3 benefits. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. I like my background. I do. I mean, I like my background when I film at home and all that good stuff, but I love this this background right here. All right, what's going on with the gas prices? We're at an all-time high, and it says it's not going to be going down anytime soon. Right here, why U.S. gas prices are at a record and why they are going to stay high for a long time. So it says the Russian invasion of Ukraine is the major reason. It says the Russian invasion of Ukraine is the major reason the U.S. drivers are paying record gas prices, but it's not the only reason. Numerous factors are combining to push the price up to records. Gas hit $4.25 a gallon, regular gas, according to the AA survey on Wednesday. Price is already expected to breach the $4 a gallon for the first time since 2008, with or without shots fired. So if there was a war or not a war, it was already going to hit $4. Now, because of so many factors are playing in, drivers should prepare to pay uncomfortably high gas prices at least till Labor Day. Prices could reach $4.50, and it says prices could even reach $5 a gallon. The national average is not out of the question. Russia is the largest oil exporter on the planet. In December, it sent nearly 8 million barrels of oil products globally. 5 million of them were crude oil. Very little went to the United States. Europe got 60% of the oil, 20% went to China. Biden just yesterday signed a thing that he's not going to be buying any Russian oil. I think we actually buy anywhere from like 5 to 7%. So where it says right there that the United States doesn't get a lot, they only get 5 or 7%. Europe gets 60% and China gets 20%. But oil prices on the global market, so the loss of Russia's oil affects the oil prices around the globe no matter where it's used. So when you don't get the prices from oil from Russia, it's going to make our prices go up. So hey, give us the thoughts in the bottom. What do you think about the prices of oil, of gasoline right now? This is probably why you want to get some passive income with cryptocurrency projects, huh? So I always get asked what type of projects that we have in cryptocurrency. I like node projects. I like, so what kind of nodes? Strong node's a good a node. Now remember, all my information is for educational purposes only. Do your own research. Strong nodes I like. Project X nodes I like. Comb Finance has a good node system. Vapor's got a node system. Polar's got a node system. Power's got nodes. Thor's got nodes. You got to figure out which nodes you like. Do your own research. Also, Drip Network, get 1% back every single day, 365%. Drip Garden is a good opportunity. And also, don't forget about the piggy bank over there. All right, let's head back over to VVS Finance. All right, over here at VVS Finance's website. Remember I told you VVS stood for very, very simple, DeFi, trading for all. Your gateway to decentralized finance movements. Take control of your finance and earn sparkly VVS rewards. Learn more about VVS Finance today. We aim to make DeFi simple, within reach of billions. It has low fees, fast transactions, and competitive earnings. There's a couple things right here. It's got shiny yield farming opportunities, clear incentives for all, and definitely hardened security of governance. There's 3 paths you can take. You could be a DeFi trader, you be a liquidity provider, or you can be a miner. VVS mining has passive income. Crystallize your VVS tokens. Staking fixed amounts will receive more VVS tokens. Stake and forget, that's simple. Be a liquidity provider, low minimum. Supply a token pair for receiving liquidity. Provide LP tokens. Collect transaction fees and farm shiny VVS rewards. And then the third one over here to the left, be a DeFi trader. Swap instantly. Instant swap tokens and low fees. Slippage, keep your eyes out for new pairs and new token listing. You know, VVS token is at the core of VVS Finance. There's the value, there's the utility, and there's the governance. Become part of the community. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap for a little price prediction. I like this coin right now because it is down a little bit. It could be a good time to buy. What's our price prediction? My price prediction is to keep an eye on everything. With the war going on, prices are up, prices are down. Do your own research. But there's a lot of good things going on with VVS Finance, so you do want to check that out. All right, being over here in Hawaii, we love this background right here. Thanks for tuning in. Again, nodes, piggy bank, dogs, pigs, all kinds of good things for cryptocurrency. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video, and click over here so you can see 365% with Drip Network. Hey everybody, have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later on today.